Welcome to today's MtoM Minute. I'm Isabel.
And I'm Sam. And today we're going to be talking to you guys about how to market during the Olympics.
No, Sam, I actually have this list of guidelines here, and there's a bunch of rules on what we can and can't say, so I'm just, better safe than sorry. I'm going to be checking.
Understandable. Today we're actually going to be talking to you guys about how to market during everyone's favorite winter game.
No, gonna stop you right there. You can't say that either.
Worldwide sporting event in which athletes compete to win medals.
No, you cannot say that. Definitely not. Every 4 years, not summer, cold season, worldwide sporting event that has been going on since ancient Greece.
Right. And this year it's taking place in Asia.
Yes.
It turns out that there's so many rules and regulations for marketers and brands when talking about this event that we're actually completely out of time.
Yep, so thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about Rule 40, check the link below.